For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about a very unique incident which has taken place in the second test match between West Indies and England in Manchester. No, it's not about his 100, but it's about him applying saliva on the cricket ball accidentally. Yes, this happened during the fourth day of the Manchester test match. So what is it that the umpires did? The on-field umpires, Michael Gove, the ICC elite panel umpire, well, what he did, he took out a sanitizer and a tissue from his pocket and just applied it on the cricket ball in order to ensure that the ball is good enough to play again. But what are the ICC rules as far as this playing cricket in biosecure environment and without applying saliva is concerned? Well, the ICC has clearly stated that you will be given 2 warnings. Yes, if same incident is occurred once more, that is it. Then what happens? Then the fielding team, if the incident happens for the third time, then it will be taken into an intentional consideration. And what will the ICC do? Well, they will give a 5-run penalty to the fielding side. But my question is that enough? Is 5-run penalty enough for playing under biosecure conditions? Remember the amount of money which has been invested to play cricket in biosecure environment. But then 5-run penalty is the maximum which the ICC has posted for the fielding side. But what beyond that? What beyond 5-run penalty? Can the ICC just look into the rules once again and just take into consideration as to what all can be done? Remember what happened in 2018 during the sandpaper gate incident. Australia just did everything, broke off all the rules. The barrier was broken, the boundary lines were crossed. They applied a sandpaper on the cricket ball in order to shine it. For what? To win a test match. So, is this a guarantee that when you play cricket in biosecure environment, you will not go beyond the rules in order to ensure that you win a test match? A team can do it once, a team can do it twice. So, should applying saliva on the cricket ball twice is a good enough leeway for international bowlers in order to pick wickets, and especially in dry conditions? So should the ICC just look into the rules? What is it that the ICC needs to do? Is a ban on the cards? Should a player be banned after 2 warnings? Because the fact that I'm stressing on is that 5-run penalty is just not enough for the ICC in order to ensure that cricket goes securely in biosecure environment. So what do you think about the video? Do you think that the ICC should just look into the rules once more in order to ensure that players do play in biosecure environment and also ensure that they are safe? Do send in your comments and feedback and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News 9 Digital across all social media platforms.